What's going on, guys? It's me, Ray with Kickstands Up 909. Another dumbass video. We're going to Born Free. Got all the guys over there. We're all getting loaded up. About to head out. We're out here in Riverside right now. So yeah, with that being said, let's get after it. Out of all these people, we find our one homeboy just hanging out right over there. There's the man, the myth.
I had a feeling.
Woo! Hot in the porta potties. That's sick right there. Look at that. Completely redid it all. Look at that. Woo. There's a lot of cool bikes out here today, guys. There you go, Brian. Customize your shit out, bro, like that. That's a man's bike. Mario's here, guys.
Soup, mudflops, rums, and alligator juice. She was a checkered flag. Starts her engine, she runs fast. And now you know where and when you got
Feels like it's extra packed this year, guys. I don't know why. But yeah. You guys want a titty beer? Well, guys, it's about 1 o'clock.
Yeah, I remember that being a thing from last year.
We're gonna start packing it up here. It's getting pretty warm and crispy, and another beautiful Born Free. So yeah, let's go ahead and start heading out of here.